Okay, let's just discuss some of the application in detail. So far, we understand the networking layers and all those things and terminology. So what we are going to discuss here, so we are going to discuss application layer, well-known application layer, protocol services, and summary. So basically, application layer protocols. Presentation and session layer. So you know, in the TCP model, we have presentation session and all these layers, application presentation and session. The presentation layer has three primary functions: format the data, compress the data, and encrypt the data. Okay, these are the three primary functions. Common standard for video, for example, MPEG, common graphic images, for example, GIF, JPEG, PNG. These are the different files. So these are like a presentation and session layer. The session layer create, initiate, maintain a dialogue between source and application, destination application. Session layer handle the exchange of the information, initial dialogues, keep them active, restart the session that are disrupted or idle for a long period of time. This is, you can see, at the application layer. These are the three layers we're talking about: application, presentation, and session. At the TCP model, application layer. TCP/IP application layer protocol. These are the protocol we are interacting day by day. My request to everyone, you should know at least most of them. They are on the screen. For example, what is DNS, BOOTP, DHCP, SMTP, POP, FTP, TFTP, HTTP, HTTPS. So these are the application layer protocol. Those are where the users are interacting. DNS is domain name system. BOOTP, when the computer initially boots, a request for the IP, and DHCP is like the IP addresses you are getting. SMTP is the POP, IMAIL. These are the email transfer protocol. FTP, file transfer protocol, and HTTP normally we use every other day. So these are application layer protocol.